ATT.NET Email Login Tutorial for Beginners. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in att.net email and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, att.net, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. att.net is a popular email service commonly used for personal account creation. Recent quality reports have classified att.net with a low-risk profile as most accounts originating from this domain are valid and safe. Now type in your credentials over here. Firstly, type in your user ID. In the case you have forgotten your user ID, click on this option to recover it. Once you type in, click on Continue. Now type in your password over here. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign In, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into att.net email. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.